back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. So are you guys in the mood for a shrimp boil? I know I am, so if you want to see how I hooked up mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell, and that's just going to let you know whenever I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I went to the store and I picked up 3 ears of corn with the husk, and I just stripped the husk off the corn and I just cut them in half, and then I cut the halves in half, and here you have pieces of corn to use for your shrimp boil. And I'm also going to use around a pound of red potatoes. Now you can use whatever potatoes that you like, and as you can see, I'm just going to cut them in half and cut the halves in half just so that it would be easier for them to cook while they're boiling in the water and when they cook in the oven. Okay, so this is what the potatoes look like. So let's go over to the stove where I have a pot of boiling water already going, and I already seasoned it with a little sea salt just so it can add a little bit of flavor. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the corn and also the potatoes. And then I'm going to take a spoon and just give everything a quick stir, and the corn and the potatoes are going to boil for 10 minutes. And while that's going, let's get started on the rest of the ingredients. So I have a package of Andouille smoked sausage. You can usually find these at most grocery stores. And just so you know, I made a shrimp and grits video and somebody got on me because I pronounced the name wrong. So hopefully I did a good job this time. But as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and cut some slices into the sausage. And I also have 2 pounds of raw shrimp, and I went ahead and washed them and cleaned them and deveined them. You know, sometimes on these packages they say that it's clean and deveined, but you still have to go through them and make sure that the shrimp is completely clean, and that's what I went ahead and did. So you're going to need a big bowl, so I'm going to go ahead and add the raw shrimp into the bowl along with the sausages. And off camera, I went ahead and I sliced 1 small onion, and I'm going to go ahead and add that as well. And I also went ahead and I chopped 3 garlic cloves, and I'm going to add that with the rest of the ingredients. So after 10 minutes of cooking, I've already drained, and now I'm ready to add the corn on the cob and the potatoes into the bowl. Now for some yummy flavor, I'm going to pour over 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. And I'm also going to season with some sea salt and some black pepper. And just give it a big stir, just making sure that everything is coated really good with the butter and the sea salt and the black pepper. And of course, here's the Old Bay, and I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of some Old Bay, just to take the flavor up to the next level. So I'm just combining everything together, just a really simple ingredients and just a really simple and easy recipe. Now this is what it looks like, just a bowl full of goodness. So let's get started on making our little packages. So make sure to use some heavy duty aluminum foil. Just as long as it says heavy duty on the package, you're all good, because the last thing you want to do is have it just completely fall apart on you and make a complete mess. So that's not what you want. So yeah, just put 2 to 3 piles of mixture in the middle of the aluminum foil, and you're just going to gather it together and seal it up completely. You don't want to leave any holes at all, just like I'm doing right here. And just so you know, I was able to make 6 individual packages, but that all depends on how much or how little you put in the aluminum foil. So just keep that in mind as you make this recipe. So here you go. See, 6 people have their own individual packages, and I think that's really cool. So I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 400 degrees, and I'm gonna let these cook off for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, this is what your shrimp boil package is going to look like. All the vegetables are cooked perfectly, and you definitely don't want to overcook your shrimp. Now before I dig in, I'm going to top it off with some dried parsley. And I also cut up some lemon wedges, and I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice, and I'm also going to drizzle some more melted butter. And obviously I made them in the oven, but you can also pop these on your grill, so enjoy your shrimp boil this summer, you guys. But that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with everybody you know, take a picture, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and click that subscriber button down there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.